Doctor or dentist be allowed to stop you from criticizing them online. A New York dentist is suing a former patient after he posted a complaint on the internet about how much he charged. Here's the issue. The patient signed a contract agreeing to not publicly criticize her services before the procedure was done. Now, his lawyers say the comments are legal, even though he did sign that contract. The patient has filed a countersuit. So what do you think about doctors or dentists asking people to sign away their rights, really, to criticize before agreeing to treat them? Is this a practice you'd agree with? And would you sign such a contract yourself?
Absolutely not.
No way.
It concerns me, actually. What's next? The mechanic that wants you to sign a contract saying if you're not satisfied with their work, that you're not going to post it online? What do you think, Andy?
I think the tooth fairy is doing backward flips over this because I don't think she's happy with dentists just going that far. I mean, for me personally, I think as long as you're not doing it anonymously, you know, it's like with all these things that we've been talking about blogging and everything.
Right.
As long as you're not doing it anonymously, you have a right to criticize, to have your opinion. You're paying for a service. You ought to be able to express yourself.
I agree, and I think it's a huge red flag if a dentist or a doctor presents you with this kind of contract, because it makes me think, have a lot of people complained about you before? Are you not doing your job well? I wouldn't want any part of it.
And I want to tell you a little bit about this. The dentist is called the Classical Singer Dentist of New York, and she charged this guy $4,766, $4,700 for a filling that should have cost around $200.
See, the fact that she's the classical singing dentist, I think her priorities are obviously not where they should be. She's not, I mean, I don't know. Is she a focused dentist? I don't know. Hopefully.
Well, she might be
Welcome to the real world, really.
She might be a very good dentist. She just didn't like the comments that he put about her, and that's why that she has the contract. Let's go to some of the viewer comments. Noel writes in, I wouldn't sign it if I was faced with that. I'd have to find a new dentist.
Virginia Lynch chimes in saying there are laws protecting people from libel or slander. So long as I speak the truth, I should be able to post my opinion online as I see fit.
Sounds like a lot of our viewers agree on this. Terry writes in, I would not sign such an agreement. It would certainly make me wonder about the quality of work this dentist does.
Yeah, it does seem to go against the First Amendment. I think she's going to have a tough time, you know, proving her point in court.
Yeah, you please keep sounding off on this, and we still have many topics to get to. This is a really fun show here. Starting today, fast food.